Whew. Fresh up off the lawnmower. Let's get to work on these cars, man. Let's go. I said, hey, yo. This your boy Tulu back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up, man. Hey, keep grinding, keep growing. But if everything ain't going so right for you right now, you know what I'm saying? Hey, all you got to do is just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes. Tomorrow, either next week, man, you could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. And if you see somebody out there on their grind right now, if you see somebody out there doing what they supposed to be doing, listen, don't hate on it. Just wait on it, man. Your day could be coming. All right, so we back at it again, man. If y'all recall from the last video, what we had going on, we finally got our part in from O'Reilly's. This is the part number. Hopefully y'all can see, man. This camera's been giving me some problems, bro. But this is the coolant sender unit. And as you remember, the last one, oh, I can't misplace my little gasket right there, was too big, man. So we got this one right here. So we're gonna be throwing this in so we can install our relay kit. I also got a new ICT billet steam port line here. So we're gonna also be just replacing that because that one is kind of like, oh, I wish I would have got a black one, for real. But that's cool. So we're gonna be replacing that as the steam port line as well. I'll probably do that first, so I can just move that out the way, and then I can just start piecing everything here back together, man. All right, so let me go ahead and get y'all set up, man. Let's go ahead and get to work, baby. Let's get it. Alrighty, man. Old steam port line on. Let's throw that other one on, man. Hopefully it don't take as long as that just did. And like I said, this port is on the passenger side, so we might have to cut this hose down a little bit to bring it here. Have to cut it back some. I don't even know if y'all can truly see. All right, let's get this Janko up in here. All right, man. So we got the new steam port in there. What in the world are you looking at? All right. All right, so now, like I said, on this side, we probably gonna have to shorten this up some. It might be okay. We still might have to shorten this up some so it can just run right there around that water pump. All right, let's go ahead and knock that, get that in there. Alright, that's on. Throw this hose back on. That's on. Alright, so I guess we can go ahead and start trying to, I'm thinking about if I should just go ahead and start trying to fill this radiator up. But no, I did plug in that coolant temperature sender right here. I didn't tighten it all the way up. So we're just gonna go ahead, fasten this in, and then just go ahead and get to wiring, man. Go ahead and knock this wiring out, and let's go. Man, here we go with another problem, man. I don't think this is the right sensor because it's not threading in there right. Like it's binding up like probably like right there at the second or third thread, man. So what I probably do is just send that whole doggone relay kit back and try to find the right one, man. I hate that crap. I hate that crap. But in the meantime, between time, hey, y'all see we out here grinding, man. See we out here grinding, doing our doggone thing, but every time, man, it's always some bull crap. But what I probably do is, like I said, go take that stuff back, send it back, and then just go ahead and start filling this radiator and everything up. So at least when we get a relay, the right stuff, we can just go ahead and hook it up. I guess since I did that, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm sitting here blabbing y'all because that's a little unfortunate, you know what I'm saying? I thought we was gonna go ahead and have this thing together. What can you do, man? What can you do? These people that work at these auto parts stores, and never mind, I ain't blaming nobody, but I guess we're just gonna go ahead and jump into another video. We're gonna start going ahead and try to get oil pressure and coolant for the Intellitronics cluster, man. So hey, till next time, I appreciate y'all for checking out the video. It's probably a short one, hey, but I truly appreciate y'all support and what y'all do, man. Hey, salute, salute, salute. If you're new to the channel, remember, man, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that notification bell, put it on all, so you'll be able to get the drop when I drop a video, man. But till next time, bro. Salute, salute, salute.